because that's the part of the show where the audience entertains me. So thank you very much. Now, I know we don't have kids here, but I still feel responsible. I want to say, whatever you see me doing with the chainsaws, do not try it in your own homes, okay? That would be very stupid. You want to do it somewhere in public where people see you do it, or it's a waste of your darn time, all right? Or on YouTube, that counts as well. Now, it's time to risk my life.